Year 1947, India got freedom. A country long suppressed found utterance. Year 1950, the vision of Bidhan Chandra Ray, along with the leadership of first director Professor J.C. Ghosh, led to the formation of Eastern Higher Technical Institute at 5 Esplanade Row East, Calcutta, which later came to be known as Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur, an institution of higher learning that symbolizes India's strength and self-reliance in technology, education and leadership development, was established at the same location of the Hijli detention camp, which symbolized oppression and colonial rule. In more than 6 decades of existence, the action has surpassed the vision. Not only did the institute dedicated to the service of the nation create engineers and scientists who made India proud, it also created leaders and visionaries of global technology, commerce, and economics. Generations of great minds shaping up the human society need to be connected. With that vision, one of the early associations of the alumni of IIT Kharagpur was formed in Calcutta, currently known as Kolkata, in the year 1973. IIT Kharagpur Alumni Association Kolkata has evolved in the last 41 years in both size and influence. With more than 700 members in Kolkata, the last AGM was organized on September 21, 2013 at the Tollygunge Club. The success of Pan IIT 2012 in Kolkata was celebrated and appreciated by the President Emeritus Mr. I.M. Asthana. The outgoing President Sri A.P. Das presented the customary annual report. The new committee took charge under the leadership of Srimati Sujata Roy. The first event under the new committee was an interesting lecture on monitoring the dynamic Earth from space, a NASA ISRO radar mission on November 24th. The speakers were Mr. Alok Chatterjee, an IIT Kharagpur alumnus, and Dr. Paul Rosen, project scientist for NASA ISRO Synthetic Aperture Radar mission at the Jet Propulsion Laboratory. The session was attended by over 300 enthusiastic and excited high school students and was a spectacular success with a packed auditorium. The event was sponsored and covered by The Telegraph. The second event was an interactive session on January 6, 2014 of IIT alumni with Professor Parthopratim Chakraborty, Director of IIT Kharagpur, Professor Siddhartha Mukhopadhyay, Dean Alumni Affairs and International Relations, and Mr. Arjun Malhotra, distinguished alumnus of IIT Kharagpur and an entrepreneur. The discussion was on how the alumni can connect and contribute to the development and transformational journey of IIT Kharagpur. The next in line was an interesting talk session on January 28 on global trade, tax and social justice by IIT alumnus and ex-partner of PwC, Mr. Krishan Mehta. His talk highlighted how developing countries lose their wealth by trade mispricing and corruption, which eventually gets accumulated in the Western financial institutions. Solutions were also discussed on how countries like India can stem illicit outflows, retain more of their hard-earned wealth, and thereby contribute to a more safe and equitable society. The annual picnic was our next event on February 9th, which became extremely interesting because it was combined with a day trip to the most exciting Fort William. History came alive when we witnessed the East India Company's most powerful and secured fort, which later became the Eastern High Command of Indian Army. About 150 alumni and family members assembled at the NCC clubhouse and after the initial breakfast went on to witness the magnificent Fort William in shuttle buses. The day was a great experience for all who attended and was made possible because of the efforts of Major General S.C. Jain, Director of Army Institute of Management, and Colonel B.L. Das, Administrative Officer of Army Institute of Management. On April 6th, a very interesting session was organized on science and spirituality by the disciples of Sri Sri Ravi Shankar Ji, who were also IIT alumni, Mr. Batliwala Khurshid and Mr. Dinesh Ghodke, popularly known as Bawa and Dinesh. An interesting knowledge-intensive session on big data analytics was organized on 19th October, addressed by Dr. Pritish Mukherjee, a Kharagpur IIT alumnus of 1984 batch and currently the Program Director of Business Analytics at Praxis Business School. The discussion was on the process of collecting, organizing and analyzing large sets of data, big data, to discover patterns and other useful information. With 6 events in the last 1 year, it was a busy and eventful year for Alumni Association. We also discussed various options on how to make the organization network intensive for alumni and socially relevant for the various strata of people who look up to IIT alumni as leaders. In this context, we are coming up with our next event on the right way to choose your career after school for high school students. As socially responsible citizens of India, on whose education the entire country invested their wealth, the give back is mandatory and therefore a moral responsibility of all alumni of an institute that is dedicated to the service of the nation. We request your active support and participation in these endeavors. To connect with all our members, IIT Kharagpur Alumni Association Kolkata is coming up with a professional website to be launched soon. All communication and interactions among members will soon be channeled through this website. With a glimpse of last year's activities, we now move on to the upcoming AGM tonight and we hope to have a more eventful year coming up.